Are you
Yeah.
still doing the 300 guys stuff or no?
Hell yeah.
You're going to do it?
Yeah, definitely.
Where are you planning on doing that?
Back in England. See, I tried to come here to do the 1,000 and then got stopped at the border.
What?
Yeah. They stopped me at the border and they were like, are you here to 1,000 guys?
No way.
Yeah. God's honest truth. They brought on my porn because obviously it's technically work. I was like, am I not just allowed to 1,000 guys?
I can't believe Border Patrol knew who you were. So it was literally at the airport. They took
Well,
you.
my actual name is the same name as my passport. So I don't know.
So you didn't use a fake name?
No.
Why'd you choose to do that?
I started when I was quite young, and at the time I'd already grew a little bit of an Instagram following, and so for me to then build up a new Instagram following sounded like a lot of work. And I knew straight away because I had a bit of a following, like I'd get traction on my straight away.
That makes sense. Did you expect this to take off as much as it did? Because it went super viral.
Not at all. When I first started, I thought it wasn't real. I thought you couldn't actually make money on the internet.
Yeah.
And I also just thought it was going to be like a part-time thing. And then as soon as I started, I realized that like this can be a full-time career. And that's when I was like, right.
Damn, that's fascinating. So 300 in a day, how many hours is that going to take, you think?
Oh, not many, I don't think.
Really? How many hours did
5
100
hours?
100 take?
100 took 14.
14 hours.
But I gave the guys were mostly one-on-one, and I gave the guys like 5 minutes each.
Okay.
And with the 300, I'd do so much less.
So you do multiple at the same time? And
Yeah.
then 2 minutes each?
I'd make it a proper last time it was more like one-to-one sessions.
So every guy finished?
Yeah, mostly.
Damn.
I think probably like 10 didn't, or like 15 didn't.
Maybe they were nervous or shy.
Yeah, exactly. You never know as well. Some people are like, oh my God, I've been envisioning this for so long and can't even get hard, because they're just nervous. And that's understandable. Especially with it being on camera, it's a little bit different for some guys, I guess.
Wow, that's impressive. Did it take a while to find those guys?
No.
Really? Just one post probably, right?
A couple posts and things like that, yeah.
On your Instagram, or where did you post?
Instagram, Twitter. So mostly broadcasted on Twitter because obviously Instagram are a little bit more PG.
Yeah. I saw the guy that did the documentary on you. It had like 10 million views on YouTube.
Yeah.
That's insane. Did you like, I just can't believe it got that many views.
Neither.
I mean, this is nuts. So 300 is next, and then you want to do 1,000 after that, right?
Yeah.
And then what's after that?
Honestly, I have so much more like creative ideas outside of doing big numbers. Sometimes I feel like big numbers are a little bit like overdone. Like there's only so many guys you can in one day, you know what I mean? And yeah, I've got so many creative ideas for where I want to take this. I just want to do like some really original ideas that people have never seen before.
You gonna start a podcast?
No. You think I'd be interested? Like I'm not very interesting to talk to for 2 hours. You know what I mean?
Really?
I've got nothing interesting to say.
Damn, you don't have confidence in yourself.
No, it's just like I'm better at shagging than talking.
You know your strengths.
Yeah, exactly that.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Who would want to listen to a blonde bimbo for 2 hours?
Well, you're getting a lot of views right now. Yeah, maybe over time it'd be tough to sustain, right?
It's like, well, you do one podcast and maybe you'll talk about stuff that people find interesting, but after a bit, like my personal life is pretty boring other than all obviously.
How's your taste of LA been? It's probably been interesting, right?
To be honest, we haven't been out that much. I've probably been on 2 nights out while being here. One night out. Yeah, one night out with the one with Banks. That's the only night out I've been on. And then I've been like dinner a few nights and things like that.
Do you like it better than the UK?
I love the weather. The thing is, I just love English people. I love having my friends near me and stuff like that. But I think it's gorgeous here and the weather's great. And I'd love to be able to have like a work visa.
Yeah. I don't know if they'll approve it though.
Whoa, I'm an asset to the country.
You already got stopped at the border once.
Yeah, so true.
How shocked were you when that happened?
I'd been stopped 2 times before. So
oh, wow.
I was like, oh my God, is it going to happen again? But this time I was shocked because they actually like brought up my poor
Damn.
and was like, we know what you're here to do. And I was like,
but what can they really do about it?
well, this is the thing. Well, not let me in the country, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah. I guess that, yeah.
Yeah, but, and they were also like, if you do it here, you will be banned forever. And I didn't really want to be banned forever.
Oh, so you actually planned on doing it here?
Yeah.
Wow. Did you have the guys lined up?
I didn't know.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think because I was going to do it at the AVNs, it would have been so easy to get all the guys because they're all fans.
Yeah. How was that? AVN's.
Good.
I haven't been yet.
It's exhausting.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I
You're
agree.
like signing and talking. It is quite exhausting. But it's nice to actually meet real life people who are fans of you. Like, it just makes me so grateful. It's kind of funny, really, because I guess you, as someone who's like a creator online, you see numbers on a screen, you don't see in real life people. So it's weird that these people know you and you're like, what? Like, it's just dystopian to me.
No, I know what you mean though, because I see these millions on social media, but then when I go out in public and people come up to me, it's like, what the fuck?
Yeah. Why do you know who
like
I am?
one person came up to me and made my day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
it's
so
kind
fucked.
that you're just like, oh, they support me and stuff like that.
Yeah. What's the craziest fan request you got at AVN?
Oh, can I f you?
Oh, you
Things
probably
like
got
that.
a ton of them.
I got a ton.
Did you do any of them?
I did.
Oh, you did?
I did, yeah.
So you
yeah.
f***ed a fan?
Yeah, I f***ed about 50 of them.
That week?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
We did it, I did an all gang.
What?
Yeah.
Damn. That's nuts.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people won't fans.
Yeah, I don't know. I guess it's an acquired taste. No, I love it because it's so authentic. You never know what you're going to get. When you're with a performer, you kind of know, we're going to do this video for 40 minutes. Like, and don't get me wrong, they are good videos. Like, they've got a big and they're going to here. It's very kind of curated.
Wow.
When it's like with a fan, it's so authentic and you kind of never know what's going to happen until the day. And it's just, super fun because everyone's so different. All these fans that you people come quickly, people take a bit longer, people make like funny, like noises that you just like, I don't know. It's just like, it's super fun. And I love, like getting to share that with fans.
Wherever you guys are watching this show, I would truly appreciate it if you follow or subscribe. It helps a lot with the algorithm. It helps us get bigger and better guests, and it helps us grow the team. Truly means a lot. Thank you guys for supporting, and here's the episode.